Start. Speed passage dictation number 7, para 16. Bearing in mind the above principles which have been laid down in the decisions of this court, we are of the view that the High Court was justified in declining to entertain the application for quashing the first information report in the exercise of its inherent jurisdiction, full stop. The High Court has adverted to two significant circumstances, full stop. Each of them has a bearing on whether the exercise of the jurisdiction under section 482 to quash the FIR would subserve or secure justice or prevent abuse of the process of the court, full stop. The first is that the appellants were absconding and warrants had been issued against them under section 70 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, full stop. The second is that the appellants have criminal antecedents, reflected in the chart which has been extracted in the earlier part of this judgment, full stop. The High Court adverted to the modus operandi which had been followed by the appellants in grabbing valuable parcels of land, and noted that in the past as well, they were alleged to have been connected with such nefarious activities by opening bogus bank accounts, full stop. It was in this view of the matter that the High Court observed that in a case involving extortion, forgery, and conspiracy, where all the appellants were acting as a team, it was not in the interest of society to quash the FIR on the ground that a settlement had been arrived at with the full stop. We agree with the view of the High Court, full stop. The present case, comma, as the appellants in the FIR would demonstrate, comma, is not merely one having a private dispute over a land transaction between two contesting parties, full stop. The case involves allegations of extortion, forgery, and fabrication of documents, comma, utilization of fabricated documents to effectuate transfers of title before the registering authorities, and the deprivation of the complainant of his interest in land on the basis of a fabricated power of attorney, full stop. If the allegations in the FIR are construed as they stand, comma, it is evident that they implicate serious offences having a bearing on a vital societal interest in securing the probity of titles to or interest in land, full stop. Such offences cannot be construed to be merely private or civil disputes, but implicate the societal interest in prosecuting serious crime, full stop. In these circumstances, comma, the High Court was eminently justified in declining to quash the FIR, which had been registered under sections 384, 467, 468, 471, 120-B and 506 within bracket 2 of the Penal Code, full stop.